This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 011-239-71075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. In Meghalaya, voting for the by-polls in 3 assembly seats were held peacefully yesterday with no untoward incident reported. The overall poll percentage was at 80.86%. Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Kharkongor informed that in Mawphlang constituency, 76.90% of the voters turned out, 75.6% came out to vote in Moringkneng, and 90.63% of the voters exercised their franchise in Rajabala. The voting day witnessed enthusiastic participation from the voters, including old and new. There were 168 polling stations altogether where 1,02,697 voters exercised their franchise. All COVID protocols were followed during the election. Counting will be held in 3 locations, 1 at Tura and 2 at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Shillong on 2nd of November. All necessary security arrangements have been made. EVMs will be kept in strong rooms with different layers of security. In Nagaland, the candidate of Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party, S. Kyusho Yumchungwer of Sangpur village, was earlier declared elected uncontested to the Shamator Chesor Assembly constituency. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated Manipur for being one of the highest-ranking states in the Northeast region in both registration of micro, small and medium enterprises and employment generation. This is as per Government of India's analysis of Udham registration data. The Prime Minister has asked Manipur to keep up the good work of leveraging the strength of the MSME sector in order to further the state's progress. Manipur's Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has said that nearly 1 lakh jobs have been created by MSMEs in Manipur. The Union Minister of State for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, visited different places in Manipur yesterday to get a first-hand report of the works taken up under various different schemes. The minister visited cluster groups and interacted with the stakeholders and representatives of various organizations. He advised them to increase the number of workers and said that the ministry will extend support to those organizations interested in forming cluster groups to promote medium and small enterprises. Meghalaya yesterday reported 46 new COVID-19 cases, which added up to 461 cases with no death reported. The state reported 67 recoveries, surging the number of recovered cases to 81,695. Altogether, 11,03,192 persons had taken the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine and 6,41,492 were fully vaccinated with the second dose across Meghalaya till yesterday. In Manipur, 59 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. These cases were detected among the 1,822 samples tested for the virus, and the positive rate is 3.2%. One COVID-19 related death case of a person who was not vaccinated was also reported. Also, 48 more COVID-19 patients were discharged from health centers after recovery. The recovery rate is 97.87% and the number of active cases stands at 708 in Manipur. The number of doses of COVID-19 vaccine administered till yesterday is 19 lakhs 583, including 7 lakhs 2,493 second doses. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.